Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. A lot of you have reached out to me about this particular topic, so I am going to do a very quick, very short video, and I hope by the end of this video you will have very practical steps on how to address the problem and permanently solve it. The topic is gout. Gout is crippling. It hurts, it's painful, and it is totally unnecessary. What actually happens in gout is your body accumulates uric acid deposits in different joints of your body, and that causes immense pain. Okay, those deposits can be on different joints for different people. It doesn't have to be your big toe, but that's usually where it occurs. So what can you do about gout? You have to have antidote. You can pretty much eat or drink anything. There are certain foods that cause the problem, but you can eat those foods in moderation, but you have to take the antidote before. What is that antidote? There are a few foods that you should have in your system all the time. I'm talking about daily. You have to have these foods daily in order for your body to have the mechanism to break down the uric acid and not let the deposits accumulate in your joints. What are those foods? Lemon. You have to use lemon. Lemon in the form of water, lemon juice with olive oil in the morning, however way you prefer, but at least one lemon daily, especially 20 minutes before your meal. Another thing you want to have is cucumbers. You can have cucumbers as snacks. You can have cucumber with your salad, but make sure that you have cucumber daily. Another thing that is really great is arugula. That's also called rocket leaves. Those are amazing for you because they help your body break down the uric acid. So these three things for sure. Another thing that you really want to have in your diet, and I would recommend it as a supplement instead of a food form, is bromelain. You can have bromelain through pineapple, but it's usually found around the core of the pineapple. So it's not really feasible for you to eat that. It's not easy to chew. So I would recommend you get it through your supplements. So if you take bromelain supplements daily, I would recommend getting 500 mg. This is key to breaking down the uric acid deposits and give your body what it needs. Along with that, you want to drink plenty of water, talking about 10 to 12 cups of water a day. If you eat well, if you take these few foods and supplement 20 minutes before the food, before your meal, and if you're eating something heavy like red meat or beans or lentils, things that actually cause the condition to aggravate, then you should have it 20 minutes before and 20 minutes after the meal. If you do this, I promise you, you will never have to worry about gout ever again. It's a guarantee. I have seen that work on pretty much every client of mine. I have seen it work on family members who suffer from it. So I promise you that if you do this regularly, then you will never have to worry about gout again. But the key here is consistency. You cannot give up. You may not have the problem after a while, but don't slack off and don't give up on these. These have to become a part of your diet on permanent basis. This is it for this video, you guys. I promise you it will work. I hope that you benefited from this video. Please share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you shortly with another video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.